Hi teacher, my name is Laura Toledo and today I'm going to describe my hometown. Okay. Okay, Villavicencio is today one of the most touristic cities by the people who live in Bogota. Since its growth in trade, expansion of land and many more places to visit has increased. Villavicencio 10 years ago was a city less congested with vehicles and less congested by the environment, but it was also a little smaller and as time went by, everything was changing and getting bigger. 10 years ago, in Villavicencio there were only 4 malls, which were Llano Centro, Villa Centro, Unicentro and Único. On September 8, 2017, the city received the visit of Pope Francis, in which he participated in a famous reconciliation meeting with the victims and culminating with prayer in front of the cross and planting a tree in the Parque de Fundadores. Thank you. Bye.